Hello everyone, I'm back again with another Scholar Ledger shaped junk journal style journal. This one is 8.5 by ta-da, 4.5. Oh my goodness. Well, from here it's 4.5, from back there it's almost 5. So yeah, this one has 3 signatures. It's a hollow back spine, as all the Ledger ones I do are. I love this paper. I super love this paper. Trina gave me this paper. I super love it. Hardback cover. And I just added a little book plate right there, and I'm going to do the video. I'm going to put some glossy accents over that, but I want to do the video before I did that so it doesn't get all messed up. So here we go. Inside is just a little pocket right there, and a library card thingy-majing that I got from Julie, the old design shop. And this is a little booklet I made of extra coffee dyed paper, because you can never have enough journaling spots in here. And the paper, ouch, oh my goodness. The paper I used is this one. Same paper I used in my little one. Trina got this, I think, at Tuesdays. Yeah, at Tuesday mornings. And yeah, super love it. Sorry about the phone going off like crazy. I'm going to try to get through this as fast as possible. I don't know if I said it was a hardcover, but it is hardcover. And I have little danglers on the side with some lacy tabs. Lots and lots of journaling, like over, I don't know, around 180 something pages of journaling in here, not including these little guys and stuff. And I have some vintage paper. Edith Holden. This is from the old design shop. A lot of sewing in here. There's some coffee dyed papers, some is not. And this is a piece of paper from the old design shop, gifted to me by Julie. Some Ledger. All the vintage book pages and stuff in here are all from Julie's shop. I think she said they were from 1970s, I think. Some really super old ones. And here I just had this little, thing I got from Sarah's shop when she was open, and so I just made a little booklet type thing out of it. Put a little journaling card in there. My hands will do what I want them to do. I'm getting tired apparently. And I just sewed this a bunch of book pages to the flap and put some lace over it and made a little booklet / pocket out of it. Hold on one sec. Okay, sorry about that. Every time I do a video, it's like my phones go crazy, cray. I don't get it, but yeah. Okay. I haven't done any stamping in here yet either, I don't believe, and I'll have to do some of that, some script stamp in here. And this is a instruction envelope that came with my new cabinets that I got, telling you how to put them all together. And I really love the texture of this envelope, and it just looked old, so I put them in my book because I liked it. I had to cut it down just a tiny bit, and so I just sewed it back together. And I just put some old times table flashcards inside. And this trim right here came from S&M Tiffany Lane. Is that not so cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. Love it. I will link her shop below as well. This is some old math that Trina, my cousin, gave me out of a really old atlas. So I added some of that. I just love the color and the texture of the paper. And this is just a tablet of extra journaling spot, and oh my goodness, my phone does not want to shut up. Good grief. And there's some little dangler. And over here, I texted him and told him I will text them back in a bit. And they are still texting me. So, yeah, sorry if you hear all the dinging. I'm just going to ignore it. This is Tsunami Rose. And this is an old... I put washi tape down the middle because I was afraid it was going to rip. An old botanical book page. I just love these old pages. I love the texture of all these different papers. Super, super cute. Love it, love it. Another little dangler right there. Sorry about my dirty old coat. I put it on because I was freezing. And it's the coat I wear in and out to get wood from outside when it's raining for the fire. Some old advertisements. Old Yahtzee. And this is also from Susan's shop right here. Oh, are those not the cutest little things? Oh, I love them. And guest check. This was a piece of bag that I cut off that I just put a topper on this little booklet and added it to the book. Old book page. Can't remember what it came out of. Look at that, it's so cool. Oh, Julie gave me that. Another little dangle. Another journaling card. Tim Holtz little milk tab thingy-majing, whatever they were called. Tsunami Rose postcard. I super love all of these different bills of paper. I could just pet this book. This is Tsunami Rose and Tim Holtz Little Girls. And this is an old vintage bingo card that Miss Vonnie sent me. And I just sewed it to some coffee dyed paper for extra journaling and just tucked it in here. Because I love it. Super love it. Get off there. And this is just some little snippets clipped on there. And this page is from Artie Mays. And this was some extra cut-offs of some ledger. And it was already hooked together, so I just left it as a little booklet. And that's some extra paper. Oh, get in there. And this is some of that vintage trim that I got at my local store, which I have a bunch right here that I just reach up and grab some out of. This one is from Susan's shop. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I love that color. So soft too. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh, this is just a postcard from one of my ephemera packs that I had that I don't remember where it's from. Another one of those envelopes, because I got 3 of those cabinets, so I got 3 of these envelopes. And that's just got some journaling cards inside. And I am going to do a video once I'm done with my room. If I ever get done with my room. It's just taking me a while because I'm the only one doing it, so it's taking me a while. Ugh, my goodness. It's about to drive me crazy. That's why I thought I better stop and get these books videos done. And the little tutorial that I did done. I had to take a little break from doing my room, my house, my late spring cleaning is what I call it. And this is a little envelope. Super darling. From Susan's shop. Oh, it's so cute. Susan You are just a sweetheart. Sending me all this stuff. I love it. I know I gotta stop hoarding it. I have my little Susan box over here. Y'all, you gotta see it really quick. Oh, this is my Susan box. And it is got, oopsie, some stuff in it. Look at all this beautiful, yumminess in here. Yeah, there's some yummy in here that I have got to get my booty busy and use in my journals and stop hoarding it, right? I know. Oh, I hope I didn't miss anything in this book, but I had to show you all that cute stuff because it's so cute. I just like look at it and then I put it back in there and then I look at it and I put it back in there. And yeah, I'm a weirdo like that. And that's another piece of that trim. Nothing in that one. I just like to keep really cute things for a while. Don't y'all do that sometimes? I can't help it. Then I start using it and wish I hadn't, because then I wish I would have had it. There's another one of those cute little darling pieces from Susan's shop. This is from Artie Mays, because I love it. I am such a spaz. There's a little Martha Stewart punch right there. Another little dangle right here. And this is from Tracy's shop, a little seed packet. Oh, phone. Stop it. Another little booklet. And over here, this is from Nick the Booksmith, and I just made a little pocket. Get off there. And just some extra paper here. Little Tim Holtz person tucked in there. A little graphic paper card. And this came from, oh, is that from I don't know if this is from Julie or Susan. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did I forget who this is from? It's either Julie's shop or Susan's shop, but they're super cute. I love it. I'm going to put it upside down because I want to be able to see that. And then this is Tim Holtz, and I just stuck that right in there like that. And voila! The Funky Monkey. I got to get all the beads out of the middle so it will actually close like that. I stopped putting things in there because it was starting to get alligator-ish. And I didn't want it to be alligator-ish. But yeah, I super love it. And I hope you do too. And yeah. Thank you for watching. And she is available. Oh, I just knocked her bead off. She's available. I will link my Facebook and Bloom and Sticks page below. You can get a hold of me on either one of those pages. And I will give you the information on this cute little patootie. If I can get this back on there. And yeah, if you're interested, just give me a PM me, and I will get right back to you, and she can be yours. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.